what 35 looks like. Even myself, I was not ready. So yeah. Tell from my voice, we are just recovering from a serious flu that we had the past week. So I thought when I woke up today I had energy, but it seems just tiring out a bit. I feel extremely tired, so I just went ahead and cut this so that I can start taking it off. But I feel like lying down, I'm out of energy. Yeah, and today's the day I decided to wash the baby's oh goodness, the baby stuff. So we are actually at week, this is week 35. This is what 35 looks like. So I'm like, whoa, 35, 5 more weeks to go. We may not even reach that 5 weeks, so let me just start getting ready. They say the bag must be ready at least a month in advance, so that's what I'm feeling. And to be honest with you guys, when I got sick the very first time I got sick last week, Tuesday night, I thought of the worst, and I really regretted why I didn't wash the baby's things, because a lot of things were coming to mind. I was like, what if I get rushed to the hospital, things do not look well, they need to take baby out and all that, but things are not ready at home. So since then I'm like, just have to make sure that I wash and prepare everything, put baby bag, put my bag ready. So that is exactly what this vlog about. We're just gonna wash what we can, put what needs to be put where. And as funny as it may sound, I do not have my baby bag yet. Neither my bag, I don't even have my own baby, because I seem not to find what I am looking for. This baby is also talking. Say. Yeah, as you can see, I'm not even wearing my wedding ring anymore. Everything swells up, so I don't know if I should have an update on, but there's no need for that. Third trimester being third trimester, so if you go to sleep, run out of breath and all that. But the eating part is kind of okay. This time I still have specific cravings. I think this is the only time I'm actually craving for things. When I want something, I want to have it. So yeah, right. So you saw me, just taking out a few of the baby's clothes that we have. The idea was not to buy a lot of stuff, because you never know I don't want the idea where you have so many things and then the baby doesn't get to wear them maybe. So we'll buy as we go. That's just my thing. So I think after everything I might just show you what is going on, what we've bought, the crib, chest of drawer and everything else. We are finally done. I am finally done. I'm finally done. Oh, it took me almost the whole day. Yeah? You can have all the wraps that you want in this world, but this one from Shell will always be my favorite. Maybe I'm gonna make a bola. Good morning. It's another morning. I don't know. Yesterday I was playing with my hair like so. That's why my hair is like this. So we managed to make a ponytail yesterday. So I think I want to refresh it. I think I have a video to shoot today. Yeah, let's go the other side. Let's go check. But this is the mess. It's not even mess because I cleaned it up. But yo, shame. Even myself, I was not ready. I was not ready for this. Oh, I was not ready, guys. I was not ready. Let's see how it's gonna. Let's see. This is how we look. That's how we look. Rahab's gown. Yeah. I don't really need the makeup. I think I try. I don't need the makeup artist for now. For this shoot we are going for next week. So I think this was just a trial to see how it will work, and I think it will work perfectly. So I can just deal with this myself. This is a wig, a whole wig. So you know the power of bobby pins. Did us justice. So yeah, forgive my neck. I didn't touch there. I think I was so too excited and too trying to work things fast and all that. But yeah, this is how we look. This is how we look. Oh shit, guys. I feel like $1 million, like $1 million. I've been homeless for the past how many months? Let me just say the whole 9 months. But today, because of the 9 months, okay, not really the whole 9 months. In the whole 9 months, maybe I've made makeup. This is the first time I'm making makeup in my last trimester. So maybe one first trimester, once, second, third now. But this, I think, is the best of them all. Come on, nigga. And I just wanted to share everything designed by me. The wig, I made it myself. I don't know if I have a clip where I did this hair, but I think I do, in one of the vlogs. And then the earring is the business that failed a year or 2 years ago. And then this dress, it was also made recently. I'll show you a skirt also that I made. I got this material like a meter. This is just a meter of the whole material. Let me show you how it goes. It's a whole meter, 1 meter material. So you just have to play around with what you have. So I bought this whole thing in before I knew I was even pregnant, the first trimester. So I made a skirt out of it. So I made a skirt out of it. This is the black one, the material, and half of the material. This skirt is like from up here down until down. So half of it I gave it away, and then the green one is this one that I have now. So this is how we are not spending money anymore in shops. Okay, so let's get into the video. So as we sign off, this is what we are having in a Congo plate: spinach, fish, no sauce. Today I just want to eat with salt. Yeah, salt, spinach, no sauce, just like that. So you guys, I think I'm gonna officially end this vlog here. Yeah, now pretty mama eating pretty food for the gangsters. Thank you so much guys for your support. Thank you for this vlog. The delele okra thing, I don't know how it's gonna be tomorrow. Maybe today could have been the fact that I ate a banana earlier prior to drinking the okra, so maybe could have an effect one or another. We'll see tomorrow. I'll try. I didn't try throughout the day because I was kind of busy. This makeup took me a while. Yeah, now I'm bubbling. Okay guys, see you, and thank you so much for tuning in.